Alright, today I'm taking a look at the FLASHOOT RGB video light. That's cool. So it's a 1/4 screw on a tether. Never seen that, but that's a good idea. It's a nice little low tripod. Looks like a charging cord. It is USB-A to USB-C. Oh, and some Velcro. It's like cable ties. It's good we can keep everything tidy. Oh, now that's cool. So we've actually got a 1/4 on the back of the tripod. So I can put this guy on. I can hold it like this, like a wand, which is how I'm probably going to be using it. Loop it through like that. And that way, guaranteed, it's not going to be coming off. Good stuff. And these are just adhesive plates. So this is magnetic. So I can stick this onto any surface, and I can stick this onto these. Oh, it actually has a 1/4 mount on the top as well. So if I wanted to, I could put attachments or accessories on here. That's pretty neat. Oof, that's actually pretty bright. That's cool. All right, so we've got a nice display on the back. So you can see it's got the red, green, and blue values. So we can change the red. It goes in increments of 1. So if you know what the value is that you're looking for. So for example, we're going to turn this one down to 0. I'm going to turn the green also to 0. Now we just have blue. So I can get those fancy Star Wars Baby Yoda shots. And I'm going to, let's go ahead and add red. So now it's more of a purple. Pretty cool. And yeah, we'll just go straight red. Why not? Yeah, it's really cool. Looks great. Puts out a pretty decent amount of light. Yeah, it's a great little handheld light.